Alright guys, what's up? Stixx Picks here, back with another video. We got a storage unit. We paid about $800 for it. And there's a safe right here. I'm gonna say right now, we got a safe. Wow. And we talked to the manager, and apparently they went to a nursing home, and my dad said that means they probably just left stuff, you know? That's just how it goes when you go to a nursing home. Alright y'all, look at my first stack of boxes to show. They're all sealed. We don't even know what's in here. We'll find out. The way my dad and me are recording it, I go downstairs so he can record in silence, or so I'm not talking in the background. Same thing for me. He's not in my background yelling, you know. Maybe I can go outside. Better lighting. I don't have a knife. That's very cool. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. First thing, we got some hangers. All right, we got. What is this? This is like an old-fashioned, not an old-fashioned, like an older type of doll. Look at that. It looks like real feathers. I don't know though. That's cool. That's cool. Pink little bear. It looks like this person was maybe like a religious type of person. That's a cool piece. Some trains. Let me like. I need something to like move the stuff onto. I gotta be able to show the box. Heck, these hangers. All right, we got some more decorations. Maybe this is her. George Washington. Some trains, though. I know trains can be valuable. I'm not too knowledgeable on them, but I know some of them are pretty valuable. All right, this is the rest of the box pretty much. There's just a pillow. There's nothing else under it. All right, first box. All right, box number two. Looks like something for like food maybe, or like medicine. I don't know. Clothing. Some more clothing. Some bags. This is like a water backpack or something. Just some. It looked like that actually. I don't know. Just a backpack. Purses. Bunch of purses. Frankie and Johnny. Some blankets and all right. On to the last box of this stack. That's nice. Like, that's a nice material. Looks like it's like made out of silk. It's nice. I don't know. Like, I think it's something girls sleep in. I don't know what it's called, but I like pajamas. I guess you can call them pajamas. Some like nice material again. Looks like a flannel. Recording the GoPro is very irritating sometimes because I can't freaking move. The way, whatever. Some more clothing. This all feels nice and soft. Got a bunch of clothing in this box. It's a clothing box. All right, not bad. Not bad. All right, y'all. This is a small type of unit. If you saw in the intro, you can just see like an intro. There's not too much to record, you know. We have a little bit of boxes and just a couple of furniture, so I'm sorry if this is a shorter type of video. I know I see people in the comments saying my videos are getting shorter, but sometimes it's just like there's nothing I can do really. I'm sorry. I'm getting like I'm trying to get better at it, but you know I'm kind of new still. But let's just get into these boxes. Harvard. What does this say? R-I-T-A-S, Veritas. I don't even know if that's supposed to be connected, but that's cool. This person went to Harvard. I think they went, maybe they did, maybe they just got it somehow, but that's cool. It's cool. It's like a book. It's like one of those book holders, I think, actually. Like you go on each side and hold the books up. Alright. Some glass stuff. Let's put this down here. That looks like it's like the biggest piece. Box full of stuff. Full of makeup. Some makeup. I thought there would be something cool inside of there. Yeah. What is this? What the heck? This supposed to be like a Christmas tree or something. I don't know what the heck this is. Someone can tell me in the comments, maybe. Yeah, I'm not really exactly sure what that is. Some Dove soap. I know my dad likes keeping soap. Dude, this is irritating. I don't want to drop any of these pieces, you know? I feel like I might though. Alright, we got a big old elephant piece. I don't know what this is for.
Indian god for overcoming obstacles.
Alright, cool, thank you. Oh, it's broken. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, y'all, let's get in the next box. Just more yarn knitting stuff. Alright. This is more so like a miscellaneous bag. Got some belts, got like some bracelets. Got a little TV remote right here. Let me get down here. Get a better view. This is another miscellaneous bag. This has got like random stuff. And you got a little bracelet, some chapstick, some strings. Oh, a pair of glasses in here. I think those are like glasses, I'm not sure though. Alright, what else do we got? Some trains. City delivery. I'll give some money to these trains. I know trains can definitely make me some money. Alright, what else do we got here? Pair of little glasses. Pair of little glasses. That's the top to this. Bam. Alright, what we got on this side? Dang, this hurts my knees. Sitting hard on my knees, how I am. This pair of binoculars. There we go. The blanket for my knees. The ground hurts. Bunch of clothing, miscellaneous stuff. Let's see what's in here. Alright. This is like family stuff, it looks like. Gotta return that. Alright, just another clothes box. It looks like this unit may not be the most interesting. We're hoping for it to be. but it might just be a bunch of clothing and stuff. We don't know what my dad's finding though, but so far I've just been finding clothing. All right, y'all. This is the last box that I have for now. I might be able to get some more footage, but that unit is honestly smaller than I thought. When Dad told me like, here's the unit to move, I was not expecting all that, or that not that much. Got a little. That's like a cheap figure. It feels like nice little blanket, or I don't know, something. A little sun hat. Look at that. Little sun hat. Some cards. All right. We got a little doll right here. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's where this sun hat went. This little hat. Dang. Cool pieces we got in here. This might be some good stuff in here. Just another elephant, yeah. All right. Looks like they had a bunch of like more so like spiritual elephant pieces. Just gotta leave this in here, honestly. But look, you got a little old dude. That was a sheet. This is wrapped inside of a sheet. This is creepy. Look at that. Look at her face. And yeah, this is our right box. All right, y'all, we're out of here. Sorry, like about the short video, but there's not much to record in this unit. It's a very small unit. Whew, I almost just died. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I appreciate it, especially, like I always say, if you're out watching the outro, I appreciate you. And peace. All right, y'all, we're home now after moving the unit, that small unit. And my dad was looking through some of these locked boxes, and look what we found, guys. Look what we found. The first safe that I pointed out in my intro was unfortunately already open. Nothing in here. But we found another locked box, guys. And look what we found. We got 2 diamond bracelets. Not 1, but 2. And it's made out of gold too, right, Dad?
Which one?
The diamond bracelets.
Oh yeah, that's 14 karat gold and diamonds, dude.
Wow. And the rest of these right here are gold.
How much do you think just this one will sell for? I think we should see. Look at see the clarity in those ones. I bet you we should see at least probably 500 for that.
Ooh. That's almost the whole unit right there.
Yeah. And then this one here scraps for 240.
Oh wow. Boom, that's the unit right there.
This one here is almost 3.5 grams, so that is 3.5 times 30. Yeah, we're in the prop. Even this. See where it says 14K? I wish I would have found the back of that watch.
Yeah, that'd have been crazy.
Or the rest of that watch.
And this is all silver right here. We got some silver. This all right here, we still have to test. We aren't exactly sure what it is. And all this is costume jewelry. Y'all probably see it at an auction soon. His auction, my dad's. And yeah. Pretty crazy find. We were not expecting to find that in the locked box, so we're really happy.
Well,